guys, it's your girl Sabria Davis. Listen, this is video number 1 of an 8-part sequence for our 30 for 30 financial success challenge. Now, what that basically means is over the next 30 days, we're going to help 30 families begin their journey to financial freedom and abundance. Okay? Now, this video in particular, I want to talk to y'all about 2 objectives that everybody must meet. Objective number 1, that's your current lifestyle. Typically, that's paid for with labor. You know, you go to work, make sure you keep the lights on, food on the table, clothes on the back, roof over the head, all that good stuff, right? Meantime, between time, though, objective number 2, your future lifestyle, that's paid for with investments. That one often gets neglected. Why? Because most people are not satisfied with their current lifestyle, with their current, financial situation, so they can barely even think about the future. Now, I'll tell you this, if you continue to work for money, you will always work for money. And that's a fact. Listen, if you want to get out of that, I'm gonna say sticky trap. If you want to get out of that sticky trap, of only focusing on your current lifestyle, and you want to start, building for your future, text the keyword W4 to 678-964-7033. I'll say that again. Text the keyword W4 to the number 678-964-7033. And I'll respond to you directly, okay? Not some autoresponder, none of that funny stuff. It'll be me. Hey. So until then, y'all stay tuned, stay up, stay blessed. Let's grow.